of resolving disputes.
Now, the Joint Council of Elders, drawn from various groups, has resolved to stand in unity as they push to reclaim a controversial 58-acre parcel of land allegedly earmarked for the construction of affordable housing without their consent. Speaking during a joint meeting, the elders strongly criticized the area member of parliament for what they termed as forceful interference with the sacred land, which they say was secured by Mau Mau fighters during the struggle for independence. Led by Kikuyu Council of Elders Secretary General James Nene, the group demanded that the entire parcel of land acquired by their forefathers be returned to their community.
Where or what structure stands there. We thank past administrations, one of Jomo Kenyatta, even the previous, before Jomo Kenyatta, there was the white man who never expropriated that land. They left it intact. Jomo Kenyatta's administration left it intact. The Moi administration left it intact. So did the Kibaki administration as well as the Uhuru administration. Therefore, we are grateful for the wisdom that they showed to keep the integrity of the Githunguri Shrine land, unlike today. And we condemned all acts perpetrated by any person or authority to desecrate this land.
Ihifadhiwe kama ilivyo na makaratasi yote iandikishwe hivyo, mambo mengine yatafuata huko nyuma. Sisi hatuna haja na kusema kuna mtu ama kitu iko hapo tutaondoa. Ile kitu tunataka ni ikubarike, ni ya jamii ya Agikuyu.
Tunahitaji kurudia na tuwe kitu kimoja na tusimame kama jamii moja na tuongee kama jamii moja.